really looks nice and
Hey guys, welcome to our channel Beyond Musafir. सिक्किम सीरीज के हमारे इस वीडियो में स्वागत है आपका. This part of our video is going to be amazing, so stay tuned till the end where we're going to share Sai's first ever snow experience. While we are in Gangtok, we plan to explore some of the local attractions and then finally head towards the mysterious untold story of Baba Mandir. So guys, this is how our room looks like. The view from this room is like really amazing. We spent around 2,500 bucks for this room with a bed and breakfast plan. So guys, now after a hectic work schedule, we guys are heading towards the MG Mark and let's see and let us try some new delicacies there at MG Mark. So here you could see there is MG Mark downstairs. So this is a shortcut, as I was saying. It's day one and we are at MG Mark. This is one of the prime attractions of Gangtok and it has a lot of shops and walking places just to roam around and spend your entire day. So we are super hungry now and let's plan to move and try some of the local delicacies here at Gangtok. So guys, we are here at the Taste of Tibet. We thought of trying momos and noodles here. So let us see how it turns out to be. Let us check this out.
we have ordered for vegetarian noodles. So let me try vegetarian noodles. At the same time, this is something radish chutney, which has served initially. Anyways, come on, let me have the first bite of veg, noodles. Wow, really looks nice and. Nice. That is nice. I think I should go for one more bite as soon as ASAP. Nice. I love noodles a lot.
Guys, we are going to try at the Shuffle Momos. This is the Shuffle Momos and I have heard some good reviews about this place. So let's check it out. Different types of momo which you can try here. You have prawn, fish, mutton, pork, beef, chicken momos. And this is the must try here, which is momo in chili oil. Here I could see something new, popsicles, which we have not ordered. But if you guys are coming here, you must try some different types of momo. So good thing about this place is, yes, you have momo platters, and then the good thing is you have momos which are made out of atta as well. So if you guys are not keen into having the momo which is made of maida, you can try the atta momos. Guys, here this is the veg wonton momo which I'm going to try. This is a veg wonton momo in chili oil. First I'm going to try this. We have the soup first. Really yummy. Let me try veg wonton in chili oil. Something different, spicy, it's yummy. This is a veg momo. This is the veg momo. Looks yummy. Mixed veg momo. Let me try one. Momo soup, the veg broth. Momo sauce. Have it with yummy. I would say if you are a veg lover, it's a must try place. So here Sai is trying softie. We are ending our day with a chocolate softie, chocolate and vanilla. Hey guys, good morning, and now today we are the day 2 and heading towards the Shangu Lake, Nathula Pass and Baba Mandir. So basically we guys were very skeptical whether we would be getting the permit for the Nathula Pass or not, because since last 15 days there was no issuance of the permit, but we guys were very fortunate that we got the permit and finally we are heading towards the destination. Just a small note to you guys. So for the permit, basically we would need 2 passport size photographs of ours along with a valid ID proof. And another note for Nathula Pass is, if you guys are planning to visit it, so avoid Mondays and Tuesdays because it is closed on those days. So we have reached Shangu Lake. This lake is surrounded by snow-capped mountains in winters, and the best part of this lake, it gets freezed during winters and closed for tourists. This lake holds a great cultural and religious importance to people related to the Bhutia community, as they believe it to be a holy lake. It's a must first visit place, and apparently the view from this place is amazing. Now we head towards the Nathula Pass.
또 무조건 해서 딱 이런 것도 있는 거. 아빠랑 봐. 일단에서 있는 거.
The Nathula Pass has played a crucial role in strengthening the economy of India and also helped in improving the border relations with China. Nathula is one of the 3 open trading borders between the China and India. It is also one of the 5 officially agreed border personal meeting points between the Indian Army and the People's Liberation Army of China for regular consultations and interactions between the 2 armies to improve the relations. So now finally we head towards the Baba Mandir. We did not know the significance of this temple until we reached here. So Baba Mandir is named after Captain Harbhajan Singh. This memorial has his photos and army official apparels along with his day-to-day use chairs, tables, caps, etc. which he used to wear while going for the duty. He was a soldier of Indian Army and died in one incident. It is believed that even after his death, he is protecting the Indian border and people name him as Captain Harbhajan Singh. Captain Harbhajan Singh is some way or the other protecting the Indian Army in the border, and also the soldiers of China are aware of it. Once his soldier friend Pritam Singh got Harbhajan Singh in his dreams, stating where his dead body is lying and also mentioning in his dreams to construct a memorial in his name. Earlier people did not believe so, but when they actually saw his dead body lying at the same location, people started believing it. It is also believed that Baba Harbhajan Singh comes in the dreams of other soldiers protecting the country at the Nathula border. The strange part to believe is even today he does his duty at the border and returns to his memorial. So we are literally ending our vacation journey on a very high note and planning to explore more and more places.
अब हम अलविदा लेते हुए आपसे मिलेंगे एक नई जगह के साथ. Till then, take care and keep exploring. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on the next upcoming video. Take care.